Hello and welcome to Bleak's Nature. I am your host, Hans Bleak. Today, geese. You shall see geese behind me, and geese are very unpleasant creatures. You can hear them. You hear how unpleasant they sound. Like a car horn going off at night, keeping us awake. It is one of the most awful sounds in all of nature. And here I am, being subject and tormented by these geese. It shows you how awful nature can be. Imagine if it was in your nature to have such an awful voice. Oh. And there they go. Well, this has been another edition of Bleak's Nature with your host, Hans Bleak, which is me.